If you want to become a true ethical hacker, you need to master Python and learn how to develop your own tools. I'm an ethical hacking expert. I've been in your shoes before, studying cybersecurity, but missing something crucial: real, hands-on skills to build my own tools and automate attacks. That's why I created this course, to teach Python the right way applied to hacking. Here, you won't just learn to code, you'll develop real tools for pen testing, exploit development, attack automation, and much more. Enough empty theory and courses that only teach you how to use tools. Here you will create your hacker tools yourself. This course is 100% hands-on, straight to the point, and packed with real-world hacking techniques. There are more than 13 modules with more than 120 classes with support materials completely practical and step-by-step, ranging from concepts of offensive security, networks, programming logic, network protocols, information manipulation, to more advanced concepts with laboratory assembly. In the offensive attack part, we will have information gathering, service mapping, network mapping, protocols, CVEs, password cracking and authentication mechanisms, a wide variety of hacking techniques and attack vectors: sniffer, SQL injection, XSS, spoofing, social engineering, APR poisoning, DNS cache, phishing, backdoor, remote shell, reverse engineering, buffer overflow, and the creation of our own exploits, automations, pentest reports. In the defensive part, we will have IDS, ransomware reverse engineering, advanced attack detection, automations, DevSecOps, attack monitoring and detection systems, and much more. In all the classes of the course, we will carry out using the Python, creating our own tools and scripts together. If you're ready to level up your cybersecurity skills and master hacking with Python, then enroll now and start your journey to becoming a pro hacker.